In a groundbreaking achievement for dentistry, Boston-based Perceptive has unveiled an AI-controlled robot that successfully completed its first dental procedure on a human patient.
This is insane, guys. What if I told you that a robot dentist just performed the world's first fully autonomous dental procedure on a human patient? That's right, a robot dentist. No human supervision, no human intervention, just a robot and a patient. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? Well, it's not. It's real, and it happened in Boston, Massachusetts, thanks to a company called Perceptive. Perceptive is a dental technology company that has developed an AI-driven robotic system that can perform dental procedures, such as preparing teeth for crowns. Crowns are artificial caps that cover damaged or decayed teeth to restore their shape, size, and function. They are one of the most common dental treatments, but they are also time-consuming and tedious. Usually, it takes about 2 hours and 2 visits to the dentist to get a crown done. But Perceptive claims that their robot can do it in just 15 minutes in 1 visit. How is that possible? We're going to talk about that in a moment. But before we do, let me ask you a question. How do you feel about going to the dentist? Do you enjoy it or do you dread it? If you're like most people, you probably don't look forward to it. Maybe you're afraid of the pain, the noise, or the cost. Maybe you're worried about the radiation from the x-rays or the infection from the tools. Maybe you're just bored of sitting still for hours with your mouth wide open while someone pokes and drills your teeth. Whatever the reason, going to the dentist is not a pleasant experience for many people. In fact, according to a survey by the American Dental Association, about 22% of Americans avoid going to the dentist because of fear or anxiety. But what if I told you that there's a better way to get your teeth fixed? A way that is faster, safer, and more comfortable than the traditional method. A way that involves a robot, not a human. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's real, and it's happening right now, thanks to Perceptive. The secret behind Perceptive's robot is its advanced imaging technology. The robot uses a handheld device that scans the patient's mouth with light beams, creating a detailed 3D model of the teeth, gums, and nerves. This technology is called optical coherence tomography, or OCT, and it's much better than the traditional x-rays that dentists use. X-rays expose the patient to radiation and only show the surface of the teeth, not the inside. OCT eliminates radiation and shows everything, even the smallest cavities. In fact, the robot can detect cavities with 90% accuracy, which is much higher than the 40% accuracy of x-rays. But how does the robot know what to do with the 3D model of the mouth? How does it decide which teeth need crowns? And how to make them fit perfectly? Well, that's where artificial intelligence comes in. The robot uses machine learning algorithms that have been trained on thousands of dental images and outcomes, so it can recognize patterns and problems that humans might miss. But don't worry, the robot doesn't make the final decision. The human dentist still has to review the robot's findings and approve the treatment plan. The robot is not here to replace the dentist, but to help them. After the treatment plan is approved, the robot takes over and performs the actual dental work. The robot uses a robotic arm that holds various dental tools, such as drills, burrs, and syringes. The robot moves the arm with incredible precision and speed, following the 3D model of the mouth. The robot can also adapt to the patient's movements in real time, so there's no need for the patient to stay still or be sedated. The robot can work safely and comfortably, even if the patient is talking, coughing, or sneezing. The robot can complete the crown preparation in just 15 minutes, compared to the 2 hours that it would take a human dentist. Now, you might be wondering, what are the benefits of this robotic system? Why should we trust a robot to work on our teeth instead of a human? Well, there are several reasons why this technology could be a game changer for dental care. Here are some of them. 1. Efficiency. The robot can perform dental procedures faster and more consistently than humans, reducing the time and cost of treatment. This could also increase the access to dental care, especially in areas where there is a shortage of dental professionals. 2. Precision. The robot can perform dental procedures with a level of accuracy and quality that surpasses human capabilities, reducing the risk of errors and complications. This could also improve the outcomes and satisfaction of patients as well as the reputation and liability of dentists. 3. Safety. The robot can perform dental procedures without exposing the patient or the dentist to radiation, infection, or injury. This could also reduce the stress and anxiety of both parties, as well as the need for anesthesia and painkillers. 4. Innovation. The robot can perform dental procedures that are not possible or feasible with human hands, such as creating custom crowns on the spot, or using bioprinting to create artificial teeth and gums. This could also open up new possibilities and opportunities for dental research and development. These are some of the potential benefits of robotic dentistry, but they are not guaranteed. This technology is still new and experimental, and it needs to be tested and approved by the authorities before it can be widely used. Perceptive has not given a timeline for when they will seek FDA approval, and it might take a long time before they get it. There are also ethical and legal issues that need to be addressed, such as who is responsible if something goes wrong, or how to protect the privacy and security of the patient's data. But the biggest challenge that this technology faces is not technical, but psychological. How will people react to the idea of a robot dentist? Will they accept it or reject it? Will they trust it or fear it? Will they prefer it or avoid it? These are the questions that will determine the success or failure of this technology, and they are not easy to answer. Some people might welcome the robot dentist, seeing it as a convenient and reliable alternative to the human dentist. They might appreciate the speed, precision, and safety of the robot, and the reduced discomfort and hassle of the procedure. They might also enjoy the novelty and excitement of experiencing a futuristic technology. But some people might resist the robot dentist, seeing it as a threat and a danger to the human dentist. They might doubt the competence, intelligence, and ethics of the robot, and the quality and validity of the procedure. They might also feel uneasy and uncomfortable with the idea of a machine working on their teeth and the loss of human interaction and connection. The acceptance of this technology will likely depend on factors such as demonstrated safety and efficacy, as well as effective communication and education about the benefits and risks. It will also depend on the personal preferences and experiences of each individual, as well as the social and cultural norms and values of each community. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to this question, and it will take time and effort to find out. There's also the question of how this technology will affect the future of dentistry and healthcare in general. Will robots take over the jobs of human dentists, or will they work alongside them? Will robots make dental care cheaper or more expensive, more accessible or more exclusive, more standardized or more personalized? Will robots change the way we think about our teeth, our health, and ourselves? These are the questions that we need to ask ourselves as we witness the emergence of a new era of dental care. An era where robots are not just tools, but partners. An era where humans are not just patients, but co-creators. An era where dentistry is not just a science, but an art. The world's first fully autonomous dental procedure is a significant milestone in the field of dentistry. It shows us what is possible with the combination of artificial intelligence and robotics, and how it can change the way we take care of our teeth. But it also raises important questions and challenges that need to be addressed to ensure that this technology is used for good and not for evil. As research and development in this area continue, we need to carefully balance the benefits of automation with the value of human care in dentistry. So, what do you think about this topic? Would you let a robot dentist work on your teeth? Why or why not? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting topics. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.